Assalamualaikum. Today I make a video about T20 World Cup 2026. I think T20 World Cup is a very important game in the world. Uh, I love my country very much. First of all, Bangladesh Cricket Board (BCB) decided not to send the team to India, where several of their matches are scheduled to play. They raised concern about security and political issue and asked to the ICC to move their team to Sri Lanka. Uh, Team must travel to India. As we, Bangladesh is a full member, ICC member, and has already played in every T20 World Cup. So far, they qualified automatically, just like other full member team. Bangladesh is a regular T20 World Cup team. They don't need qualification unless ICC rule change. They also play upcoming T20 World Cup. The situation is now, I discuss why Bangladesh not go to India to play the. It is BCB and ICC. BCB says player security concern, travel, logistic and political securities, neutral venues, adjustment and flexibility. On the other hand, ICC says tournament venue decided in advance, all teams must follow the same rule. One team a special venue, one team a special venue is unfair, and too many scenes disrupt the schedule. ICC says. ICC has warned that they will replace in the tournament if they do not agree to play their scheduled matches in India. ICC can replace other country such as England, such as Scotland. I think Bangladesh cricket is very popular among our country, and it is it is the core of our heart, and we love Bangladesh cricket very much. Uh, in this case, I think a future career of Bangladesh cricket will be disrupt, and the new generation will not interest in cricket. So every World Cup is a dream for a cricketer. In this situation, Saurav Ganguly says the future career of the player will be disrupt. Team will play in Liton Das. Says by Liton Das, one World Cup is a dream. One World Cup is a dream to a cricketer, says by Anamul Haq Bijoy. And there are different player says their own opinion. I think if Bangladesh will play, it is good for our country because Bangladesh will if Bangladesh attend, it is very helpful to the our BCB income, player prize money, and other participation fee, and other player physical, mental, and other practice is very good when they involve in this World Cup. They are very fit to this World Cup. I think if they will not continue this World Cup, they will lose the rejection of another World Cup, or ICC can implement some rule for Bangladesh. Bangladesh. I think we have a self-respect. We are sovereign nation, but Bangladesh is well known for its cricket over worldwide. I think every team has a same rule. Those team who played in the T20 World Cup, they have same security, same rules, same facilities as the all the player are same rule by the ICC. So I think if it is include it is involved in our political situation or our other situation, we don't include cricket in